Everybody's coming down with something, and this weather doesn't help. One minute it's snowing, the next minute it's sunny and warm. It's hard to regulate.
A little all over the place, but we had forecasted for a little mini wave of moisture to roll through this morning, and almost on cue it happened right around 9 o'clock or so. We started to see some of that. Here's a look at radar. You can see within just the past 2 hours, a little blip moving through the metro area, bringing some snow. It seemed a little heavy at times near Castle Rock and Highlands Ranch and Parker, but now skies are clearing and we're looking at some sunshine. Right now from Cherry Creek, looking up to the north and toward the west, you could see we've got still some cloud cover lingering, but more sunshine building in behind it. Castle Rock right now, a mix of sun and clouds. This was definitely a different scene just a few hours ago when we had the snow moving through, but now you can see the parking lot mainly just dry. Here's a look at the big picture. This system really missing the plains for the most part. It's targeting the mountains, especially west of the divide, where we've had already reports of 10 to about 18 inches of snow. More to come for the high country. East of the divide will pick up a few inches, but it's really going to be off to the west of it, where we've got the winter storm warning. The area is shaded in pink. 10 to 20 inches, if not closer to 2 feet in through the San Juans by tomorrow morning. Just an amazing amount of snow. Great for some of the ski resorts there, getting some really good last kind of late season snow in. Downtown, 40 degrees right now. At the airport, 37. We have wind chills in the upper 20s, low 30s, and those winds right now right at around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Hasn't been too gusty. Actually pretty calm this morning. Enjoy it while it lasts because those winds are going to pick right back up this afternoon in spots. Fort Collins, 32 right now. Greeley, you're sitting at 36. Aurora, 36. Parker, 32. Boulder, 34. 20s in the mountains. As you plan for the rest of the afternoon, a few light showers on the plains, continuing a few flurries, even a little bit of rain. By noon, we're at 42. By 3 o'clock, 45 degrees. So we're going to see our temperatures top out in the low to mid 40s today, and then the winds pick up, especially tonight through tomorrow morning. It's going to be pretty windy out on the west of I-25. Not as bad in Denver. I'll show you some of those winds in just a minute. You're going to see on our wind vectors as they get a little bit longer throughout the day and evening. Snow will gradually start to diminish in the mountains. By 6 o'clock, we're still looking at plenty of snow out to the west. Drier conditions on the plains. And with those downsloping winds, you're going to see again some really gusty conditions out to the west. So quite a few warnings in place, and I'll show you where in just a minute. Even by early tomorrow morning, 9, 10 o'clock, we're still dealing with gusty conditions right along and west of I-25. So as far as the alerts go, we do have a high wind warning in effect tonight, late tonight through tomorrow morning, from gusts anywhere between 60 to 80 miles per hour. You can see it's right in through the foothills, then it kind of cuts right along the Palmer Divide and then down and covering really most of southern and southeastern Colorado. Most of the warnings for the foothills going into effect at 9 o'clock tonight for speeds between 60 to 80, maybe even topping out closer to 100 over some of the higher mountain passes. For Denver and for the metro area and for most of I-25 in the eastern plains, you can expect speeds right at about 20 to 50 miles per hour, so it's not going to be calm by any means, but it is going to be pretty tough in through portions of Larimer, Boulder, Jefferson counties, also as you get up into the mountains and areas just east of the divide near the tunnel. Temperatures will be in the 40s today. We're expecting anywhere between about 44 to 47 degrees. Denver, we put you down for 45, Boulder 44, Fort Collins 46, and in Parker today 44. So our numbers are pretty right on target, right where we should be for this time of year. 50s, low 60s to the southeast. Mountain spots, most mountain locations right around 25 to 32 degrees. Tomorrow the winds again pretty tough, especially in the morning. Then things kind of calm down. We're going to see highs in the 50s tomorrow. Wednesday, 55 degrees. Thursday, we're back in the 40s, and there is a chance for some snow Thursday into Friday. This one could bring maybe a couple of inches to some metro spots along the Front Range, so you'll want to stay tuned and kind of keep us in the back of your mind over the next few days. Don't just watch this forecast and stop there, because a lot can change. We'll have more updates as the next couple of days go.